Wolves, the iconic canids known for their sharp teeth and striking appearances, are fascinating creatures that have roamed our planet for thousands of years. Let's delve into the world of wolves and uncover their secrets. Wolves belong to the Canidae family, sharing a common ancestor with dogs, foxes, and jackals. But what sets them apart? Wolves are larger, with powerful bodies and keen senses, adapted for hunting in packs. The wolf's body is a marvel of evolution, designed for speed and strength. Their long legs enable them to cover vast territories, while their acute hearing, night vision, and sense of smell help them navigate the darkest forests and open plains. Wolves are social animals, living in packs led by an alpha pair. These packs work together to hunt and protect their territory from rivals. The cooperation and communication within the pack are vital for their survival. Wolves hunt primarily at night, stalking their prey, usually deer, elk, and moose, and taking them down with swift, coordinated attacks. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth make quick work of their prey, ensuring a meal for the entire pack. But wolves are not just killers. They play crucial roles in maintaining balance in their ecosystems. By preying on herbivores, they keep populations in check and prevent overgrazing, which can lead to starvation and habitat degradation. Unfortunately, wolves face many threats in the modern world. Hunting, habitat loss, and disease have led to significant population declines in many regions. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals and preserve their habitats. So, the next time you come across a wolf in a book, movie, or even in the wild, remember the importance of these incredible creatures to our planet. Their stories are a testament to the power of cooperation, the beauty of nature, and the tenacity of life. In conclusion, wolves are fascinating animals with complex social structures, remarkable physical adaptations, and essential ecological roles. They are a symbol of the delicate balance between predator and prey, and a reminder of the beauty that still exists in the wild. Let's join efforts to protect these magnificent animals and ensure their continued survival for generations to come.